We go down Sunset, the old established neighborhood. Every now and again you get a new house that they sneak in, and it's called a, what do they call them, teardowns? Here's one they're building right here. Tear down the old little houses and slap in a home that costs like $1 million. And they look like they belong, but they're all brand spanking new. There's a new one right next to Dave's house. That's his house up here on the right. Do you recognize it, Evan? There's Dave's house right there. Not. Here it is.
That looks like a castle next to Dave's house. Looks like a mansion with the monk is a new one. That guy, in the castle.